I've been collecting puzzles since I was a kid. I always liked puzzles that were light, entertaining, fun, more important than challenging. And especially puzzles that revealed something interesting about mathematics. By now having the book free online, I hope to reach readers across the world who either can't afford to or wouldn't simply ordinarily buy a puzzle book. But they might just go to the site and say, this is an interesting puzzle, and then go back and say, I'll try another one. And my hope is that everybody who likes puzzles, and maybe some people who didn't realize they liked puzzles, will have access to this collection of puzzles from all over the world.